Welcome to Montessori Education.
మాంటిసోరీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్ అడ్మిషన్లు జరుగుతున్నవి. మాంటిసోరీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్, బుర్రిపాలెం రోడ్, తెనాలి. ఫోన్ 08644227115.
Hello, how are you? Welcome back to English Grammar video number 16. In this video, we will learn about the second parts of speech. What's the second parts of speech? Pronoun. We have 8 kinds of parts of speech are there. Parts of speeches are 8. First one already we have discussed in previous classes. First one is noun. Remember what is noun? Noun is a name of anything. That can be, noun can be name of a person, place, things, animal, idea. Even idea also noun. Birds, insects, flowers, all these are nouns. In this video, we are going to study about pronoun, and in a special way, personal pronoun. What's a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun, in place of a noun. Whenever you want to repeat the name, you have to use a pronoun. Or you don't know the name of a person or something you don't know, you can use, instead of that name, you can use one word. That word is called a pronoun. That's we told a pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. For example, if you want to talk about a Rajesh, who is Rajesh? Rajesh is a person. That's why you can say Rajesh is my friend. Rajesh studies in 10th class. Rajesh has a sister. Rajesh studies well. I love Rajesh. So like that you can talk many sentences about Rajesh. But in English, whenever you want to repeat Rajesh, you have to use a pronoun. Instead of telling Rajesh, you can say Rajesh is studying in 10th class. He studies well. He has got a sister. She is also studying in this school. I like him. I love him. So like that you can go. So pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. There are different kinds of pronouns are there. First one is called personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. What are personal pronouns? Pronouns which are used for persons, not for animals and places. Some of the pronouns particularly used for persons only. They are called personal pronouns. Pronouns which are used for persons are called personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are in 5 forms. Subjective form. First form of the personal pronoun is subjective form. The pronoun always used as a subject. Subjective form. It is also called a nominative form. Subjective form or nominative form. Second one is called a objective form. Subjective form, objective form. Subjective form, objective form. And third one is called adjective form. Adjective form. Fourth one, possessive form, and fifth one is a reflexive form. We have five forms are there. Subjunctive form, objective form, adjective form, possessive form, reflexive form. Personal pronouns and five forms. Subjunctive form is as a subject. Objective form as a object. It is also called accusative form. Adjective form, possessive form, reflexive form. Personal pronouns are in three groups. First person, second person, and third person. Personal pronouns are three groups are there. First person, they are called first person, second person, third person. Possessive forms are five forms are there. Subjunctive form, objective form, adjective form, possessive form, and reflexive form. First person, one who talks is called first person. First person can be singular and plural. Again, first person is divided into singular and plural. Second person also divided into singular and plural. Every person singular and plural. And third person also singular, plural. So we have first person singular pronouns, first person plural pronoun, second person singular pronouns, second person plural pronoun, third person singular pronoun, and third person plural pronoun. As a subject, which pronoun is singular, first person. When you talk, somebody talks. When I talk, I am the first person. I can use I. When I am alone, when I alone talk, then it is called I. When many people talks, we call we. So first person singular I, plural we. Second person, when you talk to somebody, only to a person, then you. Plural also you. Third person, about whom? About a person. We can call he, she, it. She, it. If it is gender, he. The female is called she. If it is a child, baby, we call it. What is the plural when you talk about female and male? When you talk about father and mother, we call they. These are the subjunctive form of first person, second person, third person. First person singular, subjunctive form I, plural we, second person you, he, she, it, they. Now you go for objective form. Object, action done to somebody. I saw somebody. First person singular. He saw me. You cannot say he saw I. I is subject. Doer. He saw us. He saw you. He saw you. He saw him. He saw her. He saw it. He saw them. I, me, we, us, you. Objective form also say you. Plural also you. Plural of objective form also you. He, him, she, her, it, they, them. Now you got adjective form. Whose pen is my pen. Adjective form is my. Whose. Adjective form is whose pen. Whose book? My book. Whose book? Our book. Your book. Plural also your. His book. Her book. Its book. Their books. My, our, your, his, her, it, its, theirs. A possessive case. My book. Book is belong to me. That's why book is mine. I book you cannot say. Me book you can. My book. Book is, when the noun is used before, book is mine. M-I-N-E. Book is ours. Book is yours. Plural also say yours. Book is his, her. Book is hers. Book is its. Theirs. T-H-E-I-R-S. Theirs. I, me, my, mine. We, us, our, ours. You, your, yours. You, your, yours. He, him, his, she, her, hers. It's, they, them, their, theirs. Last form of pronoun in personal pronoun is reflexive pronoun. When you add self to the first subject, it becomes reflexive. I plus self, myself. Myself, reflection. I myself did the work. You cannot say I myself, I did myself, or I me did myself. I myself did the work. We plus self, ourselves. Self, selves. Plural selves. Singular self. Same way you, yourself. Plural, yourselves. Himself. Herself. Himself. Themselves. So, in this video we are learning about the personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used for persons only. Personal pronouns are 5 forms are there: subjunctive form, objective form, adjective form, possessive form, and reflexive form. Again, personal pronouns 3 groups are the first person, second person, third person. First person singular pronouns: I, my, me, my, mine, myself. We, us, our, ours, ourselves. You, your, yours, yourselves. Plural: you, your, yours, yourselves. When we go to third person singular, we can go to singular 3 are there: he, she, it. According to gender, we can take he, him, his, himself. She, her, hers, herself. It, its, itself. And third person plural: they, them, their, theirs, themselves. When you talk about this personal pronoun, there is no possessive case. Already it is used mine, your, ours. No apostrophe is used. Apostrophe, no apostrophe. Top one comma. No apostrophe is used in a pronoun. You cannot use anywhere. Yours, you cannot write yours or you are apostrophe. It's wrong. Yours without apostrophe you are using yours. Nowhere you can use apostrophe. Again, in the last 2 point, personal pronoun. When more pronouns are used, the order is second person, third person, and the first person. When suppose in a sentence, many pronouns are used, second person should be used. Which is second person? You. Then third person. Then only you go for first person. That means you can say you, he, and I. You, he, and I will play the game. You cannot say I, you, like that. It is the order is reversed when there is a mistake in some disorder in the sentence. Then you can take reverse. For example, you have broken something. You broke the windows. So breaking the window is some negative point. That's why you have to go for it. I, he, and you are responsible for the loss, because there is reverse, because that is the wrong mistake in it. Otherwise, statement is clear statement. You go for the second person. You, he, and I. Okay. as a today's homework, I think you understood this video. Personal pronoun. Pronoun is used for persons. Five forms are there: subjunctive form, objective form, adjective form, possessive form, and prepositive form. We have three groups: are first person, second person, third person. They are also singular and plural. So subjunctive form is used beginning of the sentence, and also subjunctive form is used before the verb. Whenever you want to use sentence, subject form should be before the verb, and also this subjunctive form is used after the primary auxiliary verb. For example, it is I, not it is me. It is I who responsible for this one. Again, objective form is used after the main verb. When you use main verb, after the main verb, you have to use objective form only. And also after the word let and between also should be followed by objective form. So I think you understood the lesson. Your homework is uploaded in the video. Thank you.